How to start your affiliate program as a vendor. Hi, thank you for purchasing the course. You've made the right decision. I'll teach you the tips and tricks to generate more traffic to your store and boost the sales of your store with an affiliate program. In this video, you'll learn the basics, the intricacies, and everything in between. I'm going to teach you how to generate massive traffic by conducting your own affiliate program to boost traffic to your site. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with a brief summary of what affiliate is all about. Affiliate program is a program where you, as the product vendor, pay a commission to your affiliate when they've made sales. On the other hand, if you're not a product vendor, you'll join other people's affiliate programs to earn commission. To make a long story short, it's an online salesman program. Product vendor wants to sell his product, and affiliates promote the product to earn commission from the sales. In this case, to generate traffic to your store, you'll conduct your own affiliate program to attract the affiliates to promote your store for you. An affiliate will send traffic to your store from their subscribers list. In return, they get paid in commission. This would be a great way to generate traffic to your store because you only pay the affiliates whenever a purchase is made through them. When you conduct your own affiliate program, you can boost the traffic to your store. At the same time, you get to boost your sales. Both of these factors are closely related to each other. With Shopify, you can keep track on the traffic to your stores in the Shopify dashboard. As I've mentioned, if the traffic to your store increases, chances that your sales could grow as well. When you receive an affiliate request, I highly recommend that you filter the affiliates. Pick only those who are in the same niche as yours. Focus on quality instead of quantity. When you get all the quality traffic, sales could be boosted as well. Last but not least, when you conduct your own affiliate program, you only pay for results. When they make sales, you pay commission. You do not need to pay them for the promotion because the affiliate program is a commission-based program, meaning to say, cost to start your own affiliate program can be said to be zero. You only need to pay when their subscribers purchase your product. To give you a better picture to understand how this works, I will now show you step by step the whole process of the affiliate program. First, after the affiliates have their request approved by you, they will then mail out your offer to their subscribers. You can prepare swipe emails and some necessary promotional tools for them to be mailed out. I'll talk about the promotional tools later in this chapter. Next, the subscribers will then click on the link and be directed to your store. The first scenario is the subscriber didn't make any purchase and left your store. In this case, you do not need to pay the affiliate. The second scenario is the subscriber makes a purchase. In this case, you will then pay commission to your affiliate. Now that you already know the whole process and concept of how an affiliate program runs, the next question that you may be asking is how to keep track of which affiliate had made the sale, how to pay the commission accordingly. Here is the solution for all these problems regarding the affiliate program, which is the Shopify affiliate program. Shopify provides in-house affiliate programs that are linked to Shopify. You can conduct your affiliate program with Shopify and get notified by Shopify whenever there is an affiliate request or a sale. Instead of searching the other platform to conduct the affiliate program, start one straight with Shopify. As I've mentioned, you can provide the promotional tools for the affiliates. This could be one of the factors that attracts the affiliate to join your program. The promotional tools are provided to make the promotions easier for the affiliates. What you'll need to provide is the swipe emails and the banners, graphics, and/or videos. Swipe email is the promotional email that your affiliate's going to send to their subscribers. It is best if you can write in a generic tone and voice, so then the affiliate can reword them to suit their subscribers. Banners, graphics, and videos provided for them to put in their promotional page or review page that they lead their subscribers to. All these graphic elements directly represent your brand, which is why you would not want them to use their own graphics in the promotional page. Other than waiting for affiliates to join your program, there are other methods to recruit affiliates. Instead of being passive and waiting for them to come, you can join the Facebook groups, both closed and opened, to approach the affiliate first. When you're on Facebook, search the keyword affiliate or Shopify on Facebook and look for a group that suits you. It's a great way to network too. Besides, you can participate in some forums as well. You can do the same on search engines. Search keyword affiliate or Shopify to look for a community of affiliates or vendors. After you've joined the groups, you must first demonstrate your dedication and credibility so the others will return your favor. For instance, help them with their promotion first. However, when you're looking for Facebook groups and forums to join, make sure that they are active. You do not want to join a group where no updates are being made. In addition, read about the section to know what the group is all about before you join them. Here are some tips for you to attract more affiliates to join you. First, emphasize on the benefits of joining your affiliate program. When the affiliate reaches to the affiliate page that you prepared, first thing they're looking for is what they can gain from a program. They ask, "What's in it for me?" This is exactly what you should focus on. It's the same technique used by marketers in their sales page. When selling, after telling the what, you have to answer the why. Why should they buy from you? The same thing applies here with affiliates. There are hundreds of other affiliate programs they can take part in. Why should they choose yours? Second, a simple sign-up process is definitely a must. You collect only the necessary information you need, which are the name, email address, and the ID. This would be great for both you and the affiliate. It saves their time as well as yours. Third, filter and talk to the affiliates. Even though there are a number of affiliate requests, not all of them are suitable for your program. You should filter them according to niche. Pick only those who are in the same niche as you. If you can, talk to them to connect with them.